Here we have a motorcyclist having problems in the middle of the highway.
Somebody stalled their motorcycle, a little lady over here. I don't know if she ran out of gas or... There's really no place for her to... Start walking it that way. Just want to give her a little cover. I guess that's all I could do.
In this clip, we see when an impatient driver meets karma.
Really, motherfucker?
This clip was found on another creator's channel called 11-Foot 8. If you haven't seen the channel, check out the link below. This last clip should speak for itself.
Sync will attempt to call 911. If you wish to cancel the call, please hold the phone button. A 911 assist call is being placed. Sync will speak first to the 911 operator before opening the line. Please wait.
You have reached 911 emergency. Please stay on the line and your call.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.